Ciao. Anyway, so
Hi everyone. So day 21, which was yesterday, but as you can hear me or see me, I have severe flu from yesterday, from not yesterday evening, from the day before yesterday. So from 2 days, I began to feel the flu symptoms, like sore throat, and I said I will be okay. And next morning, I wake up. I wake up late, so I decided to do my meditation while I'm going to work. So in a car, I was meditating, and it was so amazing. And I was focusing on the meditation, and it was so good. Okay, coming back, sorry for the noise. I guess tomorrow will be the Eid, the feast, so everyone is cleaning and dusting everywhere. So that's normal here in Egypt. But anyway, so I did my meditation in the car. I told you I felt amazing, and I went to work, I feel amazing. But yesterday, because today is a whole day now, we had like it was a very, 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 very busy day, and I was began to feel like the symptoms of fever, and I was so tired, and I had a little bit of fight with my colleagues because some of them was so bad, wanna leave us and go. So hello. So they know we are busy that day before holidays, and they didn't show up or they didn't want to do the work. So all the work would be on two of us, not four. So that's of course double the work, and of course the work is already like double and multiple. So please, so I had a kind of a fight yesterday. So I was kind of not nervous but upset during the day, but I then I calmed down and began to feel okay again. And I had some good time with my beautiful colleagues that I love, and especially Marco. I love him so much. He's my best friend at work. I love him. Anyway, so I was about to go out to have some fun, buy new clothes, and enjoy my time. But as you can see, I began to feel a bit tired, but I was just fighting it. And then I had another fight with my mom, so that's enough for today. It was a big fight, and I don't like when me and my mom fight. So I was just like, okay, that's it. So I canceled my day out. I didn't buy anything and began to feel more tired. And as you can see, now I feel way better. But yesterday and during the night, I was like dying, guys. That it's very, very hard flu. It's a very strong one. So yeah, I'm trying to survive. But still, as I went through, like the whole day, I was fighting and like having trouble in work with my mom. But during this, I was a little bit not nervous, but just a little bit nervous and upset. But in the same time, I was just keeping thinking, like, breathe, breathe, like, calm down. I was just like thinking, this moment, just that's okay, and begin to use what I've learned and begin to implement my like my thinking. It was a really success. The only thing that was really upset, I was upset about yesterday when I was coming back home. I was so tired. My body, all of it was just aching so much. I had fever, and my voice all of a sudden was just completely gone. I began to come back again, but yesterday there's no voice at all. So it was a really quick kind of flu to come, and I didn't have that kind of flu from years ago actually. So it's really strong one. Maybe become more stronger in like progress in that way because I went through like bad emotional thing. I guess so, because normally I don't go that way. But as I reach home, like I came home and began to calm myself and began to sleep and have some rest. I became more good during the night. So this is for this day. And by the day we finished the third week, or I finished the third week with you guys, and it's not a nice closure as I'm really sick, but um, yeah, I guess that week is way successful than I thought, and way successful in everything and how I feel and how I experience life. So after 3 weeks of doing this, I'm so happy that I did it. I'm so happy that I started it, and I guess I'm gonna continue doing this. So now I'm gonna say bye bye and go and have some rest and record the next day on the next video, which will be the last one. And yeah, I hope I will get well soon. Yeah, I love you so much, guys. Bye.